cannot tell you guys how long I've been waiting to do this bathroom reset. I bought these organizers like 2 months ago off Amazon. I have 2 packs just to organize the master bathroom. We're gonna organize it, we're gonna declutter, we're gonna do a little refresh, a little deep clean, and then I'm gonna move on to my non-master bathroom. But first I figured, let's light a candle. I got this candle from clearance around Christmas time from Target. But it doesn't smell like Christmas. It smells like spring, like perfumey spring. And it's yellow and I love it. And I'm gonna use my little butterfly matchsticks to light it up, get a vibe going. Feel that spring energy.
I feel good, like I'm walking on sunshine and there's nothing that can bring me down. Real good, like joy came in the morning and the birds are singing sweeter sounds. Ooh, the sun set me free if I just believe I am. Ooh, vision is key, so if you can see, you can.
Okay, so I got the first shelf all in front of me. I think the majority of this decluttering is gonna be these 2 bins. We have so much of this Dr. Squatch soap, but it's only because they give you the best discount when you buy like a billion. So yeah, Mason stocked up for a while. Okay, so these bins are like our medicines and other stuff, but I feel like a lot of it's expired. So let's just go through it.
Love me or hate me, darkness invaded. Winning ladies' eyes on me.
Okay, so I'm gonna put all the good stuff back in the bin, but I think I'm gonna leave the bin down because while we're organizing the rest of the shelves, I have a feeling, I have a little tingling in my brain that we might find some other things that need to go in the bin. This shelf is gonna be bad, but like it's so much stuff. And I'm pulling stuff out and I'm like, oh, there it is. I've been looking for you for 2 months. And then other things, I'm like, oh, I forgot about you. I should probably throw you away. So I'm really glad that we're doing this. So I think because there's so much stuff and I have like not a lot of space to organize it, I'm just gonna start a keep pile, and then this bin to my left is my throwaway pile. So I'm gonna start with that. And then once I have everything organized, then I can go back and put it, I'll probably open my new bins actually, and then we'll start putting things in the bins.
I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in.
Here's everything that I'm planning on keeping just from that one shelf. That's crazy. And then this is the toss bin. It's from both shelves so far. Okay, here's the fun part. We get to finally unbox these storage drawers that I bought like 2 months ago. I've really been trying to do this video for like 2 months. But you know what? Life with a newborn is crazy. It's just a different stage of life. So I'm just trying to be gentle with myself. We're doing it now.
Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, gotta hold on it. Let love unfold tonight.
Okay, so now that I have these shelves in, which I love by the way, the next battle in my mind is like, okay, how do I even start deciding what I put in each drawer? Obviously, like things like conditioners and shampoos, probably not gonna fit, but the majority of everything else will. So I think I'm just gonna start putting things in each one, maybe like a hair one, a medicine one, and I guess the rest will just develop as I go.
Now I'm prepared. Instead of love laugh out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, me, timing's right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two, but tonight, me outside. Usually I don't post.
Okay, so I've kept some of the drawers empty because I'm trying to take some stuff from the bottom shelf and organize them into these 2 drawers too. I can tell you what, I feel like I could get another 8 of these drawers for the other shelf and use them all. But you know what, for now I'm gonna use what we have and it's gonna make all the difference. So I'm gonna condense down to just one of these smaller drawers that I've had for a while. And I'm gonna do toothpaste and then I'm gonna do razors and like soap bags. Okay, so about this time, I decided I was done. I couldn't do anymore. My brain was gonna implode, but I got a lot done in just like 2 hours. So I just cleaned up what I had, put everything away, and then I'm gonna tackle it again tomorrow. Okay guys, it's 2 days later and time is of the essence. I need to get this bathroom in tip-top shape, work on the other bathroom, and I still have to declutter the bottom shelf. So I'm just gonna dive right in. Let's go!
Fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you new improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number 1 fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside them walls.
I'm so shocked with how much stuff was in this cabinet. I mean, I could go back through and definitely declutter these plastic drawers even more, but I have a lot to do still. I have to deep clean this bathroom and then declutter and deep clean my other bathroom. So I'm just gonna leave that. I'm gonna pause it where it's at. I did good. I feel proud. I decluttered a whole bag of stuff. And we're just gonna keep moving. Let's keep chugging along. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scrub out my shower. It's pretty clean, thankfully, but I don't want it to get built up and get dirtier, so I'm putting my hair up because it's a big job. It gets messy. And honestly, I'm just gonna use a Scrub Mommy and Dawn Power Wash. I feel like this gets soap scum so much better than some of the sprays I have. So.
It's like a swap. Making me better, you hotter than pepper. You with a big stepper who chasing a cheddar.
Usually when I have my shower liner and it's getting all yellowy and gross and scummy like this, I'll just put it in the washer. It doesn't get it 100% perfect, but it definitely improves it. And then I do throw it in the dryer with no heat because I don't want the plastic to melt. But I've done that with this liner for some time and it's ready to be replaced. Here is my new waterproof fabric shower curtain liner. I just got it off Amazon. I'm super excited because it seems really thin, it's not gonna be chunky, and I think it will wash better once it does start to get build up on it. Just throw it in the washer real quick. Love that. So let's hang it up.
I'm not gonna play nice. I'll be the witch you tell your friends about. I'm the crazy ex-girl you pretend you don't know, 'cause you know I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new. She'll regret you like a bad tattoo, 'cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. I don't give a nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for ya. Maybe you're not meant.
Okay, the next thing we're gonna tackle is the counters, which are also a cluster. Just a cluster of stuff, we'll call it that. So I'm just gonna put everything back where it goes. Maybe I can put some of this stuff in the cabinet so that there's not so much on the counter, and then just do a nice thorough wipe down, clean everything up, and then move on.
Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Turn around and tell me what I miss. 있으나 아주 멋쟁이 넌 하루 종일 세상 혼자 사는 듯이 그래 도도한 태도가 날 더 미치게 만들어 oh, oh. Meet me up near the riverside We can push everything.
All right, some food for thought for you guys while I'm cleaning away. So it's easy to think of chores and the stuff we have to do around the house as just, stuff we have to get through. But honestly, think about it. This is where the life that we want starts. Think about the best version of you. Think about that person you want to be. Their house is probably clean. Their drawers are probably decluttered. So when we're working in the now to be that person, we have to take those little steps. Declutter our drawers, clean our kitchen, our bathroom, our shower. Taking care of our space is really another way of taking care of ourselves and creating the life that you want. So chew on it, dwell on it.
Is your healing? Is your healing? Your healing? Is your healing? Is your healing? Your healing?
Okay, this bathroom is done. I'm ready to move on to the next bathroom. And let me tell you what, I'm not feeling good about it. It is a mess. It's also just not my favorite room in the house. That bathroom needs to be remodeled. Neither here nor there. All I know is it's dirty. It needs to be decluttered. It needs to be cleaned. Let's go. All right, first thing first is let's just go in here. It's a mess. It's a mess. Okay, so there's definitely not as much stuff in here, but it's just thrown in here. So I'm gonna take it out. I have the drawer that I took from the other cabinet and also these, so I think I can use them.
A new place, a new home. For a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. I found my way. I found my way.
Okay, so the other day I noticed that like the inside of my faucet in here is like super gross. There's a bunch of black stuff in there. So I'm gonna use my Scrub Mommy, which she's been around the block. Like this is an old Scrub Mommy, and I'm gonna like push it into the drain and twist it to really get all that grime that I saw. Ugh, this was so gross. Like I'm glad I did it. It obviously needed it, but like gag. This Scrub Mommy is going straight into the garbage. She did a great job. I kept her around for a while, but this was her last job.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie.
We got the cabinet decluttered, wiped down, everything's clean in here. I'm feeling really good. Okay, so tell me down in the comments. So this video gave you the motivation to get up and start cleaning, do some chores, some errands that you had to do. And if it did, yay, I'm so excited. What did you clean? And if it didn't, tell me what you want to see to get you going. What do you need to see? What should I film next for you guys? As always, thanks guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back in